What up everybody, this is Chargedrum, and today we're bringing you guys the video that we've been promising for multiple months, some Airsoft gameplay. Now, if you haven't noticed, my stupid ass forgot to take off the barrel bag, and I continued to shoot. This led to my barrel bag bursting, and it's still usable, but it kind of looks stupid. Let me just say, for the longest time of playing this round of Airsoft, I could not figure out why my gun was not shooting, and the entire time, it was the barrel bag. On another quick note, let me just say that this is our first time playing at Hudson Valley Airsoft. Let me also say, looking back at this video now, I feel so freaking stupid for not noticing the big elastic band chilling on my rifle, let alone the big gaming pad that's sitting on my muzzle.
I can't even get my gun to shoot. Give me a minute, bro.
Bruh.
Dude, my gun won't even fucking shoot. What the fuck? I don't know if this is shooting, bro. Dude, I'm just getting shot from fucking spawn.
I was actually a little upset here because I broke the little butt plate at the end of the mag that conceals the gas valve, and it just completely shattered when it hit the ground. Kinda disappointed.
You good, Ryan? Dude, I so hit him.
Enemy spotted.
Got him.
These were the only real 2 good kills that I had got the entire match. That I could really see, of course. I look over to my side and I realize Ryan coming over to help me out. Not even a few seconds later, another guy decides he's gonna come and join us.
How many you got so far? Oh, shit.
Nice throw.
Thank God I actually noticed that my barrel bag was on my gun and I was finally able to take it off. I felt so stupid, being that the reason that I couldn't freaking hit anyone from afar. Let me just say, I was extremely embarrassed because of the 2 kids watching me take my barrel bag off. At the same time, I found this so funny that I had to instantly tell Ryan about it.
Come here. This whole time I was wondering why I couldn't shoot anyone. I had my fucking barrel bag on still. You're an idiot. I fucking blew a hole through it. I ruined it. Look. I just now noticed it when I put my gun down. There's no way you left that on there. I'm taking it off. Look, I fucking ruined it. Jesus Christ. What a jackass.
The round was about to end, and I couldn't find any other players to shoot at during the game, so I just sat in the corner for most of the time. For the next game, the ref was explaining all the rules for the attack and defend mode in the hospital. It was quite interesting, and there were a lot more players to play with now.
Dude, come on. Thank you. You suck. You suck. Shut up. Okay, well, this is friends forever. Yeah. Dude, that's how we are. You suck. It's every night. It's like this. Tell each other to die all the time. Yeah, die, die, die.
Fuck you.
Good thing I didn't bring up the sniper. I was ready to.
Bring sniper to CQB arena. It would be him. He's a fucking sniper fanatic like an idiot.
Shut up.
Fuck you.
Die.
I hate you. Ah! Oh my god.
Oh my god. Guy loves our comedy.
Let me just say that the refs freaking loved us. We would make them laugh almost all the time because me and Ryan would just argue with each other and sound stupid the entire time.
Stupid hoodie.
Fuck you.
Stupid idiots with hoodies.
My shit's popping up already.
Because you suck.
Shut up.
Die.
I hate you.
Die. Come on, Ryan.
Oh my god.
Are you serious?
Let me just say, for most of this game, I couldn't see anything because I still had my sun-shaded glasses on, and I couldn't see in the dark rooms that most of these kids were sitting in. So I had to rely on Ryan's flashlight to see absolutely anything.
Making sure my gun's up.
I'm on 50.
Make sure you're not on safety, idiot. You see someone?
I think there's a guy in that doorway. I don't know.
They can't hit through the glass.
That thing sounds badass. Let's follow that guy. Dude.
I think I saw a flash. It was on the right side. Careful, careful.
Turn the light off.
Turn your light off, Ryan.
My light is off. Turn your light off. I just got hit with a ricochet.
Watch your right. Careful, you're not in a good spot, man.
I'm looking. Are they in that room across from us?
I don't fucking know.
Go across the room.
Ryan got a lot more action in this gameplay, so I'm going to use most of his footage this round.
I'm good. There's a dead body in here. It's okay. You'll be fine.
I switched it over to the defending side because not a lot happened into the attacking side due to there being so many attackers that we couldn't really push up that easily.
GG, boys. Ready? Yeah, let's go. Shoot high, shoot high. 3, 2, 1. Ah, fuck. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you all. Oh! 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 Shit! I got one. I got one. Damn! Oh!
Go, Ryan, go, Ryan, go, Ryan.
Go where? Fuck you. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you all.
Here we go on to the next game. It was back into the original map, and I still have it on Ryan's camera because he got a lot more action than I did. And you'll get to see a few shots where I got hit pretty bad.
I'm digging it. Bunny hop. Whoa! Oh, that was sick. Ooh.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Next up, we had another game mode in the bar area of the maps. There are 3 maps total. This time, me and Ryan decided to hide in some closets. I was in a smaller closet while he had 2 doors, one with a hole to see down the hallway. Ryan decided that when he'd die, he'd come scare the living shit out of me. He succeeded.
Oh, I'm. Why are you still shooting at me? Oh.
Now it's the last game of the day. Quite a few things happened. We made the refs laugh, we did some stupid stuff, and we actually worked together.
Fuck off. Fuck you. I hate you too. Give me one reason not to team kill you. Watch the hole, Ryan!
I just wanted to say I found this funny how Ryan didn't notice that his tracer unit end cap got shot out while in this firefight, and he never went back to grab it, and yet it's right in front of the gun the whole time. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this first Airsoft video. There should be another one coming up soon, as we are going to HVA fairly soon. And thank you all for watching.